Let's face it, building a great product is hard. It's a challenge to figure out what your users want and need, what works well and what doesn't. Luckily, product analytics can ease this pain. By tracking the way people interact with your product, a great product analytics tool can show you what people like, what features they use, and where they get stuck. For many companies, though, product analytics is more hassle than it's worth. With complex tracking plans and limited engineering resources, even simple questions can often take weeks to answer. Enter Heap. Heap reduces your time to insight from weeks to minutes, all with a single line of code. With Heap, a single JavaScript snippet automatically tracks every user interaction across web and mobile. Every click, page view, tap, and swipe. There's no need to write tracking code and no need to wrangle engineering. It's a complete data set automatically. But capturing the right data is only the start. What really matters is how easy it is to explore data in Heap. Want to know how many people interact with a feature? Open Heap's Event Visualizer. Point, click, and you're ready to analyze that behavior. Because the data's already there, answering your questions is easy. Once you've defined the events that matter to you, you can use Heap to understand what areas or features get used most often. Maybe you want to understand how your conversion rate has changed over time. Heap can help you identify points of friction in your flows or other experiences that lower user engagement. With Heap, you can see how your power users navigate your site and guide other users to replicate their actions. You can also figure out what brings users back to your site. Did your new feature keep new users around for longer? What behaviors produce long-term success? Heap gives you simple, clear dashboards to share your findings with your team. Interested in making a great product? With Heap, you can. Make sure users experience magic as soon as they enter your product. Understand engagement and retention, all while freeing engineers so your team can spend time building great products, not building up a backlog of track requests. Heap gives you everything: a complete set of user data, endless flexibility, and the power to truly understand your users and give them a superlative digital experience. What's not to love? Contact us to learn more. Heap, a smarter approach to product.